Imagine reality as a holographic projection, not just an image, but a blueprint of existence itself, encoded in light. In Quantum Information Holography, or QIH, the entire universe is like a 3D lithographic print where light waves interfere to form everything we see, from atoms to galaxies. But what makes this possible? Quantum state vectors, or QSVs, the fundamental building blocks of reality, are spinning at the speed of light, constantly interacting to create the world around us. Each QSV represents an angular frequency in Hilbert space, where reality itself is not static but a continuous summation of all possible quantum paths, each encoded as a wave of probability. In QAH, reality is built from qubits, which are like tiny quantum pixels. But unlike digital pixels, qubits don't just switch between 0 and 1. They exist in a wave-like state of probabilities. The x-axis of a qubit tells us how likely it is to become a 0 or a 1 when observed. The y-axis represents its phase, which determines how it interferes with other qubits. These properties are connected to angular frequency, meaning they evolve over time according to quantum derivatives, continuously shifting their probability amplitudes. Together, these quantum interactions create an interference pattern, like ripples in a pond, that define what we see and experience as reality. Think of reality as a holographic projection on a screen, but instead of regular light, it's made of interfering waves of quantum state vectors. These waves don't just form an image, they contain the encoded information that makes up the physical world. This process is like laser lithography, where overlapping light patterns etch complex structures onto a surface. In QIH, the event horizon of a black hole acts as this surface, and the singularity inside the black hole is the ultimate source of quantum information. The singularity contains all possible angular frequencies, representing all possible quantum states in Hilbert space. The event horizon is the projection screen, where these frequencies undergo a Fourier transformation, what we experience as the sum over history's integral, where all possible quantum paths contribute to the final observed universe. The result is reality itself, a continuous, ever-changing holographic image where matter, energy, space and time emerge from light waves interfering. Just like a lithograph print is created by layering ink using stencils, reality in QIH is built by layering quantum interference patterns. The holographic image of the universe is just the integrated sum of all possible quantum histories projected from the singularity onto the event horizon. The data encoded in this projection isn't separate from reality, it is reality. Look at a tree, a planet, or even yourself. What you see is not solid matter, but a pattern of quantum information structured by how light waves interfere. Each moment of time is an interference of past and future histories collapsing into the present, the most probable outcome of all quantum possibilities. You're a reflection of light, encoded and projected by the universe itself. QIH tells us that you, me, and everything in existence are reflections of a deeper quantum process. We're not separate from the light we're made of it. The universe isn't just observing itself, it is itself, endlessly reflected across an infinite field of event horizons.